How about now?
That's great. Yeah,
At
that's
least we're
fantastic.
both bald, so we're good. I don't have a
I know we
hairstyle.
both have a beard as well, but you don't have glasses. We got the same color shirt on, so we got the memo,
Yeah.
right? That's
That's a
funny.
good start of the day. Give me
Yeah.
1 second. I'm just gonna plug in my headphones here.
All right. There you go.
How's
So,
your
did I
morning
say
going?
your name right, Saran?
Saran, yeah, you're
Yeah,
actually one
very
of the
good.
few that could pronounce it really good.
Oh, good. Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic. I usually get it wrong.
Yeah, no, no,
Anyway,
no. It's pretty easy, straightforward.
yes. Well, good morning. Thank you for being
Good
on
morning.
this call with me. A
No,
great
thank
honor.
you. Thank you
And
for taking me on board.
absolutely. Now, did you get a chance to watch my short little video?
Yes, I did, and I was actually recapping it today, so I know a little bit more about you. So
Okay.
I'm a little bit in, well, not in your situation because you came right after 9/11, but
Yeah.
I'm actually a Canadian.
Okay.
I live in Canada,
Yeah.
and I do business in the States and Canada as well.
All right.
Yeah, just a little bit about us, Graham. I've got into real estate about 7 years ago
Okay.
in the Canadian market, where we did a lot of fix and flips and rebuild multifamily homes. So
Okay.
that's where my background is. And I don't know if you follow Canadian news, but it's just got a little tough out here for investors.
Okay.
It takes a lot longer for us to go through permits, and getting a lot of the process is a lot more slower than the state.
Right.
And we have a very popular prime minister that wants to put in a 65% of capital gain.
Oh, really? Oof.
Yeah, it just passed right now. So,
Okay.
if you're making over $250,000, then you're paying 65% capital gain. So,
Oh man, yeah. They
yeah,
don't like the rich people. They're driving them
yeah.
out the country, huh? They'll
Well,
find an employment problem
well,
soon.
you know what, Graham, is I think it's the most stupidest thing to do, because you're supposed to bring more investors in, bring more people on
Correct.
board to build
Yeah.
your country and raise your GDP. But
Yeah.
I hope the next election is a lot better. But I don't want to get into politics today. But
No. But they
uh,
they forget rich people have plenty of money. They can settle elsewhere, put money
exactly, they
elsewhere.
could pack and
Yeah.
go. It's the middle class, right, that are
Yeah.
stuck. So we're doing. So I had three properties in Florida and Hollywood. We're just doing Airbnb for during COVID,
Mm.
just so that we could get our feet wet in the American market. And now we're actually doing full time land investment. So
Okay.
what we do is there's two avenues that we're taking. One is we're buying infill lots
Mm.
within a metro neighborhood where there's already hundreds of houses, but one small lot is available.
Mm.
We're buying those and selling it on the market to a retail buyer,
Okay.
or we're already lining a builder in that neighborhood, and then we're finding a property for them, and then we're selling it to a builder, which is a faster process, but I would say less profit, right?
Mm.
So that's one way that we're doing this business. Another one we're doing is rural areas where we're buying 20-acre plus land,
Okay.
and either we're severancing them into few lots and then selling them on the market one lot at a time, or we're simply just selling these lots back on the market. And we're buying these lots, Graham, for anywhere 40 to 50 cents on the dollar.
Okay. Well, that's
Yes,
good. Yeah.
yes.
Good
So
start.
I
Yeah.
have
So
a
what sort
team.
of ratio is it when you're buying land? Is it 20% of what the value of the property will be once you built it, or what's
Yeah,
the cost, or how does that
most,
work?
so for, you mean like a new build?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so of the actual land, I think it's almost like 15 to 20%. It really varies,
Okay.
depending on the location. Like say you're in Georgia or anywhere like north of Arizona or anything like that, it's a lot cheaper, like the Midwest.
Okay.
But Florida is still, so we're doing a lot of work in Florida, and we're actually looking to expand into Texas and Georgia in the
All
next
right.
few years.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I have four cold callers that works
Mm.
full time for me,
All
and
right. Okay. You got
yeah,
the
and we
work in there now. Four of them.
yeah, we got
Yeah.
yeah. So they're banging the phone every day, right? This is how we're
Yeah.
getting leads, Graham.
Mm.
And and we sent out close to 10,000 mails a month to potential sellers, right?
Okay.
And the way we approach them is not like, you know, a lot of wholesalers, what they do is hey, I'm looking to purchase a home. If you're looking to sell it, we're not going through that approach. What we do is we actually target a neighborhood and we give them a blind offer for purchase agreement on a 40 cents or 50 cents on a dollar.
Okay.
So how we
That's a good
getting the
strategy. Yeah.
yeah,
Right.
so that way you kind of avoid serious sellers, right?
Mhm.
So if somebody's calling you after seeing an offer that's made 50 cents on a dollar, they're like, hey, listen, either they inherited the land or they have nothing to do with the land.
Yeah.
That's why we're kind of transferring from real estate of homes into land, because land
Okay.
has no emotions.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah,
Yes.
like
Do
say
you
that
do
you
tax do you do look at the liens and
tax, yeah,
deeds as well?
we're getting into auctions right now.
Mm.
Since I'm in Canada, I have boots on the ground with a realtor that is going to work side by side with us to get us auction deals.
Mm.
And then only thing is I got to relist it with them, right?
Yeah.
So that's in the works, Graham. But
Very good.
mainly where I'm a little stuck is um, it's there's a lot of volume here, right?
Mm.
We're bringing in at least 2 to 3 sales a week almost, right?
Oh, really? Okay.
But the
Wow.
problem is and the turnaround is fast, Graham.
Mm.
We're doing with land. It's always the buyers are always somebody that's already looking for land, and it's long as it's not a wetland, long as the square footage is there, and it makes sense because we're selling them back on 70 cents on a dollar, right? So
Mm.
we're still
Okay.
cheaper than the retail value.
So you're wholesaling all everything you've got.
No, we're closing on the deal and then we're
Yeah.
relisting them on the market.
Right. You're
Yeah.
essentially wholesaling it. You're
Yeah,
flipping.
essentially
Yeah.
wholesale. By this case, we're closing on the deals, right?
Yeah. Yes, I
Um,
understand. Yeah.
yeah.
Well, you're
So
gonna have to do that with all wholesale soon. Eventually, that'll
mhm.
happen.
Yeah, they're
It's
cracking down on that. So,
it's
yeah,
happening more and more and more. Yeah. So yeah,
yeah,
that's what I mean by wholesaling. You're not keeping it or developing it. You're just buying
you
it
just
cheap and selling it
right,
profit.
right,
Yeah.
right.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
our goal, Graham, is to mainly do like bigger lots and severance them. That's where you make the money, right?
Yeah.
You could buy a lot for less. For example, I'm just shooting numbers out there. You buy it for, let's say, $60,000 at 10 acre, and then you divide into 1 acre each, or let's say 2 acre each, and you're selling them back at 25 or something like
Yeah.
that, right? So that's where the
Gotcha.
money's at. And
Oh, that's very good. Yeah, it's
yeah,
no emotions with that. No fixing toilets or anything.
no fixing toilets. I've done that for
Yeah,
seven
that's
years.
yes.
You
Yeah.
know what? I love it, Grant. But only thing is, it's a lot of moving parts, right?
Yes, it
And
is.
the
It is.
return is almost the same,
Yeah, I
right?
know. I know. It's crazy. Yeah. So, you're only as good as your last sale with that, and it is a job. That's really why I moved
You,
into large multifamily
mhm.
because it's the only niche in real estate where you can actually acquire time freedom,
Right,
and
right,
you can
right.
settle at any point because just one deal is gonna be financially life changing, because
That's right,
you're dealing with high six figure, if not seven figure sums, paydays,
right,
and so
right.
um
So, so I own few
that's really why
multifamilies
I moved
myself.
into that's really why I moved into this and space, large multifamilies, and wrote a couple of books and restarted my YouTube channel. You've probably seen that,
Nice, yeah,
and because they can only come around every once in a blue moon, once or
right,
twice a year. You got a blue moon every once or twice a year. That's why it's blue moon.
yeah.
Um, once or twice a year, I'm also uh, uh, in selling, not really selling, promoting legal services through Legal Shield. Because
Okay,
every real estate investor, every business needs an attorney at every point.
that's right, that's right. And it's hard to find a good one.
It really is. So
Right.
I don't know whether have you heard of Legal Shield at all?
No, I haven't heard of
No, okay.
legal issues. No.
The company PPLSI, they actually put the attorneys in every state
Right.
on retainer. So as a customer, we don't need to worry about that. We just pay a monthly fee, really
Right.
low monthly fee, about
Mhm.
$1 a day, right?
Oh wow.
Yeah, I know, and you can access attorney unlimited for anything, any subject, both personally and
Right.
business wise. So
Okay.
there's different plans, but it's absolutely amazing. And if I'd known about that the first time round, you saw my video, right? I wouldn't have lost all my properties because I would have not worried about the attorney bill because that's what I was worried about. I didn't
Right.
sue or prosecute because I wasn't properly capitalized, but now I don't have to worry about that. And the attorney doesn't worry about him being paid. He's already been paid. And so it's absolutely amazing. Like
Well, that's
insurance.
amazing.
Yeah,
That's
it's
amazing.
absolutely
Wow.
stunning.
So how
So,
does it work, Graham? So say that we're doing a deal, right? So are
yeah.
you still paying $1 a day for it, for that
Yeah,
contract and stuff?
every
Or?
month it's like your house insurance. I presume you have house insurance, right?
Right.
You pay every month a premium, yeah?
Right. Right.
Same with this. So if you ever
Hmm.
need any legal access, you've
Yeah.
got it
Oh wow.
without paying. So you make
So
a huge savings over your real estate career. And it could
what is it?
absolutely
What is it
save
called?
you. And let me give you the link and you can check it out
Yeah.
uh, because it's amazing, as I say. And I'm so happy to come across it because I love real estate and you
Yeah.
always need an attorney, no matter what you're doing.
Of course. Yes.
So that tinyurl.com/G Norris.
Okay. So you're a licensed attorney as well?
I'm an associate
You're an
that
associate. Okay.
promotes Legal Shield. So
Gotcha.
yeah, so you can do a plan for a monthly plan and you got access. Actually, I had an app on your phone. So if I need an attorney, if I want to sue you, I just click on the app and talk to my attorney. Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
Saran, he's just swindled me out of some money. Can you sue him, please?
I hope that's not the case, but
No. But
no,
that's what would
definitely.
happen, you see. Yeah. And I
You,
don't worry about the bill.
yeah, Graham, that is amazing because I'm actually looking for a good attorney. I've been bouncing from one to like there's always attorneys that are always trying to rip you off, right? Like
Right.
I had a guy
Absolutely.
review my contract. He wanted $2,500 to review the whole thing and just check.
Yeah.
What the hell?
And you know what pace gets charged by Sean Declare each month, don't you?
Yeah, that is
About
insane.
$14,000 a month he pays an attorney.
Oh wow, this is ridiculous.
And this
Okay,
is
this is,
ridiculously low.
I'm definitely. You just even before you even help me out here with investing, you helped me out with this. This is amazing, man.
It
I'm
is
gonna take
over
a
the
look at it.
lifetime. It will literally save your business at one point. Somebody else
Yeah,
sue you.
no,
You
no,
won't
and
need it.
these are all licensed attorneys that are just on this platform,
Yeah,
and you pay
on
them a monthly
millions of
fee.
dollars of retainer. Not only are they experienced to be a
Yeah,
legal shield attorney, you need 20 years of experience and
wow.
specialize. And
Okay,
on the app, when you do it, you pick the niche and you get an
yeah,
attorney that specializes in that subject. So we will be picking real estate attorney.
right,
Attorney you speak to has 20 years plus experience.
gotcha.
And they will talk to you as long as they need to.
Hmm.
They're not
Wow,
worried about the clock.
yeah,
They've
yeah,
already been paid.
because they've been paid, correct.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to use them on. I actually have a deal going on right now,
Yeah.
Graham. So,
Oh,
so
and
we're
here's the kicker. I nearly forgot.
what is it?
If you mention it like I'm mentioning it to your fellow real estate investors of a business, you can get
Yeah.
a referral fee.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
if you join,
It's
yes,
already cheap.
yeah, that's right. If you join today,
Yeah.
I'll get paid tomorrow, literally in my bank account.
Wow. Okay. So, what kind of membership? I know we're getting off topic here. What kind of membership am I signing for? Like small business?
Yeah, you do small business. That's exactly right. And
Okay.
you can do ID Shield as well, which protects your identity up to
Right.
$3 million.
I don't know if
Yeah.
I need that yet, but do I?
Oh yeah, everybody does. Everybody's social has been compromised on the dark web.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
everybody's under threats when it comes
Right.
to identity
Absolutely.
theft. Yes.
Yeah, I'm a little bit off from social media, personal, like from a personal
Right.
life. I
Right.
don't
Right.
post the food that I eat or
Right.
anything,
Right.
or my
Yeah. Yeah.
family or
I
kids.
understand.
So
Do you remember about a month or two ago, Pace lost his Instagram? Do you remember that?
yeah, I've seen
Yeah.
that. Yeah,
That
that's
ID
scary.
Shield, ID
Somebody
Shield.
big like that to lose it, it's
Right,
crazy.
right. It is. Now, we don't know how much money he lost during that period of time,
Yeah,
but Pace's business is social media. It's how he
right.
started.
That's
It's
that's
how we
how he
get to
started. That's how he
know
blew
him.
up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
right,
So it's invaluable. An ID Shield would have prevented that because you put all your logins and everything, all your credit cards, your social, your driver's license, everything is locked in a vault with ID Shield.
right.
Okay. So you can't be, your identity can't be stolen or it's easily restored because you've got it in the vault.
Oh
And it's
wow,
up
okay,
to $3 million they will protect you.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna look
Oh, and
into it
100
more.
years of trials as well. So if you get arrested today, I mean,
Yeah,
you haven't done anything, right? You didn't do anything wrong, but you still
no,
might need a lawyer, right? I
yeah,
mean, you just call them, and they'll give you 100 hours of trial time as well
right, right. Wow, this is
as part of the
amazing.
membership. Yeah.
You don't want to give this to a lot of criminals, then they're
No, that's
abusing it.
right. That's right. Yeah.
um, well, yeah, Graham. So what I'm looking for, or where I think we could help each other is,
Mm.
I'm looking for somebody that I could partner up with in terms of funding.
Okay.
Now I can only use X amount of dollar for my all my deals, correct? So
Yeah.
what I'm looking for is, some of my deals are small, some of my deals are big, right?
Mm.
So when I say big, it might not be that big, but like right now I have a deal. It's a small corner lot in Palm Bay, Florida. It's only $17,000 we picked it up for, and we're selling it back for $45,000, right? And
Oh,
I
nice.
have a builder already lined up, willing to pay $37,000. But if I list on the market, I get 45, 47 ish,
Mm.
right?
Okay.
Those are the type of deals, and ours is more fast turnaround, Graham. We don't have to, like you said, we don't have to worry about fixing the place, finding a tenant, all that. It's straightforward, right?
Mm.
And the maximum time for a land deal, the ones that we're picking up, are 90 days, right?
Okay. I
So from
like
the
that.
time,
Yeah.
yeah, so it's a fast turnaround for you. But then again, if we keep working together, then it's just to another deal, right? We just keep moving
Yeah.
forward, and we have that trust. We, even with my actual real estate in Canada, I'm working with like only a handful of lenders that have been in business with me for 7 years,
Mm.
and it's a trust base, and as well as they know that we're getting deals that are going to make sense, right?
Right.
So
Right.
right now, like, even the small deal right now, Graham, I don't know how small of a deal you do, but like this one could be a good fit if it's worth it for you to
It
try it
could
out.
well be because I think that a first deal with anybody new and it will be a new business relationship. You want to see
Yeah,
how it goes and not risk a
exactly.
lot. So
Yeah,
why don't
and
you
you'll be in
send
first
that to
position.
me if you like?
Yeah,
Send that to me and I'll take a look.
yeah,
Um,
absolutely. I'm going to send it to you right now.
I'm
It's
I'll be
actually,
excited at gmail.com. I'll put that in the chat.
you're at here. Okay, I'll send you like a pitch deck here for you.
Yeah, and also, um, have you got my? Let me give you my Blink card because it has everything in my Blink card, including my books. If you wanted to, look at those. So
Okay.
my Blink card, copy my Blink card. Uh, it's got everything you need there.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Love it.
yeah.
I love it.
And
You're
so,
you're you're
so
on all
subs,
platforms.
yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's develop this relation. I like the sound of it, the land. It's less complicated than property, really.
It is,
Yeah,
and you're also work. I know, I'm not sure, but like most people in the community are just starting off, I
yeah,
guess, right? That's well, but in your case here, you're well experienced, and I have 7 years under my belt as well with dealing with homes, but land is just we're just getting into it a lot more. So this is what our focus would be. And give me 1 second before I drop this. So you're, I'm just gonna send you a whole new.
So this land, so you're looking for 100% money then, are you? And
Yeah.
then you
So
make
I
the
would.
profit from it. Yeah,
Correct. And some of them are bigger. Obviously, you're going to get higher interest, right? Because it's a fast turnaround, Graham, right?
yeah.
What's your normal interest rate, anyways?
Well, a Gator is at least it's 20%, you know. I mean, it's to be even worth it. And quite honestly, because I'm in large multi-families, I like to keep cash for when a deal comes along. You never know when that deal comes along, and it's big payday if you can put the money in, you know. And
Absolutely.
as a GP, you know, you got to put a stake in your own project, you know, for credibility. So
Yeah.
um, I normally keep it dry, but if there is a fast turnaround and a good rate of return, then I probably would be willing to
Right.
risk it, you know.
Right.
So
So that's 20% annually. You're looking for, but if we're doing, how would this work if we're
uh,
doing deal from a deal?
well, if it makes sufficient on the first deal, we can roll it. But
Yeah.
otherwise, I've got to have a certain amount in my account, as I say, to be ready to
Yeah.
deploy into a large multifamily.
Right.
So if it was a really good first deal,
Yeah.
or we could do a portion of it, roll it, you know, and then
Right.
top it up, and it depends on the timing, you see. So if let's say later today I find a large multi-family, then the opportunity is not there. Okay.
Right. Right. No,
So,
absolutely.
but if
I
it doesn't turn up today, I can roll it in thinking, okay, here's the thing, I can still roll it in if it's less 90 days or less, because it takes 90 days to 120 days to close a large multifamily anyway.
Right, right. And with us,
So,
Graham, if from
yeah,
the purchase date to the close, maximum is 90 days, right? So,
right,
and we're also giving the sellers, let's say 90 days, but we gotta sell it fast. Like again, I don't have to do renovations to sell this.
right,
So why would I have this on the market or sit with it, right?
right.
So we're trying to push it out. Again, our prices are always 70 to 80 cents on the dollar on the retail market.
Mm,
So customers are, I mean, so buyers are really flying in to see this deal,
right,
right? A
right.
guy could have my same deal for 100,000, but we're giving
Yeah.
it for 75, 80.
And I know you. I know I probably can trust you more than having an attorney in my back pocket. You see, so you got to be a little bit careful.
Yeah, I'm on it. I'm going to use this attorney because the guy that I'm working
No
right
tricks
now,
here, right?
nope. It's
Because I'm
you know,
already paying for the.
yeah. I don't know if you could take a look at your email right now. I just sent it over
All
there,
right, okay.
Graham.
I can scare everybody off. Can't I can soon uncover people who are,
No,
I couldn't
it's
do that before. I'm telling you. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
So is it from Surge? No. Well,
Saran 300
no,
at
I haven't got it
outlook.com.
yet. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I've got it.
Do you have an
Just came
attachment
in.
there?
Okay. Yeah, I'll take a look and let you know later today if you like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
awesome. So would you just email me, Graham, or how does it work?
Yeah, I'll email you because I prefer doing the email because I give you feedback if I say
Okay.
no. If
Okay.
I say yes, I don't. You don't need feedback, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
And what I would do, Graham, is like, say for instance, this one doesn't work out for us. I would just send you the next deal to you, right?
Yeah,
If
yeah,
that's okay with you, and you
yeah.
just tell me, hey, Sarah, this looks better than the other one, right? Some
Right,
deals you're
right.
like,
The main thing
uh,
I worry about is Florida is hurricanes, you see,
yeah,
and
and
insurance, and also I know with developers, there's has it been soil tested and things like that. So I look at things like that when it comes to land. I look at accessibility. Is it landlocked? Is
yeah.
it on a hill or is it flat? Is it prone to flooding? Is it, you know, all those sorts of things.
So,
So
Graham, I'm your guy because we do all of that before we sign the contract.
right,
So,
right,
first thing we're doing is we don't buy anything in wetlands, right?
right,
We have
yeah,
almost 0% wetland, and we're always looking for road access. and
Right,
they're
right.
not they're not
And city
land bound.
water and
Correct.
accessibilities to utilities is
Yes.
important for value on land, really. It really
Absolutely,
is. Yeah.
absolutely. Like this one is already in a residential neighborhood, right?
Okay.
So it's already zoned for residential,
So
so
how
it's
did you
ready to
find
go.
this one then? Was it a tax
So
sale
yeah,
or
so
did
no,
you?
no, this one was mails that I sent out.
Okay.
Out of that, I had this lady. She bought it in the 1970s for $3,000.
Okay.
She just don't want to deal with it. She's in her late 75 or 80s, and she said she doesn't care. She just want to sell it, right?
Okay.
And we're cash offer, so we have to close this within a week or two.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I could close today if you wanted to, but
okay, okay.
it's a case of
No, no, that's
underwriting.
amazing. That's amazing, Graham. I just want to give you enough time.
Yeah.
And soon as we get the ball rolling, then it'll just be a quick email, and then if you like it, we move forward, right? So,
Okay. Very good. Okay. Very
okay.
good, Saran. Yeah, I'm glad we met today then, huh?
I'm really glad that I met you, Graham.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah. Now you got
All
an
right.
attorney in your back pocket if you
Yes, I
sign up.
do.
If
I'm
you,
going to. I'm actually going to sign up for that today because I need
yeah,
that service. All joking aside, I do need it on almost an IV deal, right? Almost.
of course you do.
Uh,
Yeah. If you're
and
in
do they?
real estate, you do. So,
Yeah.
and if you want to sign up as an associate because all your friends are presumably in real estate, they need an attorney too every
Yep,
day.
I have a good network of people which I'm going to send this off to,
Yes.
and this is only America, right?
Yeah, this is. Oh no, there are a few other countries as well, but I don't know what they are. But mainly America. But yeah,
Mainly America.
it's
Okay,
America.
because if this could be used in Canada, then oh, they do have Canada.
I don't know. They might have. I don't know much about Canada. You see, I'm sorry.
Have you been here?
No, I've flown
Uh,
over it. I've
yeah.
flown over it, but
Well,
that's about
you
it.
you're from
I've
UK.
waved at it. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I go to UK a lot. I have a lot of family there.
Okay.
Yeah, but I
It's
still
too
prefer
cold
this.
for me up there, you know.
I still prefer the States.
Yeah, yes.
I'm hoping to move there probably in like at least half the year.
Yeah.
We just had a newborn daughter, so we're just taking it easy. But before that, we were staying in Florida for the winter.
Okay.
So yeah, so absolutely, we like the States.
Yeah, very
Okay.
good. Yeah.
All right. Thank you
Okay,
so
if you
much,
get
Graham.
stuck signing up, I mean, it's very straightforward. It only takes 3 minutes. But if you do get stuck, give us a
Yeah.
shout. I'll help you through that, you know. But
Okay. So I'm doing sorry, before I let you go, I'm doing a small business.
yeah,
Okay.
and you
At the
can do
cart.
let's see. I'll bring it up. I might as well go through it with you now if you like.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, you'll do.
And are they fast, Graham? Like
Yeah, instant.
instant? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So you fill it out, the category of a specialty, fill it
Mhm.
out, and they'll call you back. So you'll do small business, and you can do ID Shield, and you can do. So you would add business builder,
Okay.
um,
So I'm in small business.
one-time fee.
Come on.
The business builder means you can promote it. The small business is for your business, and then ID Shield is your identity if you wanted to do that, you know. So
I'm going to go for the least cost effective for now, and then I'll probably add it on there. So essential plan is what I'm going for, correct? $49.
the small business, yeah, the $49. Yeah, yeah, that's the one.
And then business supplement, no.
And then if
continue.
I were you, I would do it's only one time is the business builder. I would do that. So do business builder and small business, those two.
Okay.
Because it's only one time 49 and you can refer it and you get paid the next day. So if you referred your friend today, you get your money back. You haven't paid anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you got an attorney in your pocket.
How come I didn't get that option? So I got calls and letters. I got small business essential plan, and it says plan details.
Small business, did you add small business to your cart?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you go to business builder and add it to your cart.
Oh, I got you. It's a whole tab that you're just putting in. Okay.
Yeah.
That's for one time for legal shield, 2400 a month. Get started where business bundle this bundle for the legal ID shield. Okay, I got you. And then ID shield individual, right?
Yeah, ID Shield. That's your identity. You'll get an app on your phone.
Yeah.
Like that's what I mean. It's literally in your back pocket. So you
Right.
put Legal
Is,
Shield app on your
yeah.
phone.
So
and-
is it a trial defense supplement, home business, ride share, continue without adding supplements?
Yeah,
Are
you
you
just
referring
need a
as an
small
individual?
business, business builder, and ID Shield. That's what I would do. That's what I did do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done, sir. $98.90.
Yeah, not bad, huh, for an attorney.
Not bad. The guy's asking 2,500 for to
It's
review
absolutely
his.
laughable,
And
really.
you know what it is, Graham? It's more
What?
annoying when you have to chase your legal attorney. Because
Yeah,
you got to call them, you got to wait 2-3 days for them to get back to you. It's just annoying,
right.
right?
Yeah,
So
right.
that's why I really need somebody who's instant, who's on board.
Yeah.
So okay,
So
all right,
I can follow up with you this afternoon if you
yeah,
like, and make sure you got the apps on your phone,
yeah,
and we can show you how to.
okay.
You'll
Well,
be you'll be
I
sent
should be good.
emails anyway when you fill
Yeah,
it all
yeah,
out. You all your details, and especially with the ID Shield, that's really good. You fill out all the details. I know you're used to filling stuff out, so
yeah. I'm
you can
good.
just
I should
follow
be
your
good for
nose.
that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Let me just get this paid out and then yeah. Okay, Graham. So let me know
yeah.
what you think about the deal.
Oh well.
If you're good, then I have three more.
Okay.
I want to go work with this one first, and
Yeah.
other one I'm working with is a rural land. It's a 20-acre, but we're picking it up for 150K. You could sell it for 220, just as
Very
is.
good. All right.
Okay.
Fantastic. All right. Well,
So
great speaking to you.
so we'll chat. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much,
We'll
Graham.
definitely chat.
Take
Yeah.
care.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.